Welcome! In front of me I have LENOVO Tab 2 A10-30 and I'm gonna show you how to clear the browsing data on this device. First we need to open the browser. To do it, let's tap on this icon right here to open the Chrome browser. Now let's tap on the More Options icon right here in the top right corner. Select the history. And here we have browsing history of our device. And we can remove the sites one by one by tapping the X button next to them, like this. Or we can tap on Clear Browsing Data right here at the bottom. Tap right here on Clear Data from D, and you can select past hour, past day, past week, last 4 weeks, and beginning of time. I'm gonna select beginning of time for the sake of the video. And here we can select the types of data we want to clear. You can select browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, saved passwords, and autofill form data. Once you're done selecting the things you want to clear, tap on Clear Data. As you can see, the history was removed. And that's how you clear the browsing data on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.